Hello, faithful Countertops. My name is Massimo Ballucchi. I'm the Director of Marketing for Cosentino. And here we are at our booth at Kbis 2019. And I want to show you a couple of new trends and new innovation products that we're taking to the market. Right now, we're going to be covering the Dekton brand, our ultra compact brand of Dekton. And we'll be talking about and showing you some of the newest products per se. We have some amazing products. The Sonica collection is a collection of 5 different looks of natural stone replicated in our Dekton products. And it's amazing quality. You can bring it outside, you can bring it outdoors, indoors. You can put it on the floor, on countertops, or you can cover your walls with it. What we're showcasing are very natural colors, very 3D, very realistic images on it. We're also showing some wonderful colors that are monochromatic in nature, yet are very trendy. They really come from the furniture world, and we're bringing greens and blues back, but with a lot of gray undertones, which really goes very well in our homes of a lot of stainless steel appliances and a lot of different applications per se. But we want to bring new colors to you, so that's one of the things we'd like to show you. We also have a series called Chromica, and the gray color, it's an innovative gray. It's a gray that is getting warmer, and that's a big trend right now. Grays that are mutating to warmer, and colors that are adding a lot of accent and a lot of importance to your place.